Hey guys, what's up? It is Perry Casey Voice, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Joe's Love Acrylic Nail Kit, brought to you by Run Run Deals. If you didn't already know, Run Run Deals also has a really awesome app on anything that you can download an app. Just go search Run Run Deals and you can get exclusive offers to a ton of awesome products, a lot like the one that we're going to be unboxing right now. So let's check it out. Okay, so I already took it out of the Amazon box, but here it is. It's a full set, so it's gonna come with acrylic powder, 1 ounce of that, acrylic monomer, nail brush, 100-piece nail forms, monomer dish, nail file, cuticle pusher, and cuticle revitalizer oil pen. Let's check it out. Love it. So awesome. Literally amazing quality. Not sure what those are, but ooh, all the nail brushes, and they're so adorable. This is the cuticle oil. A little dish, exactly like the ones they have at the salon. I can't wait to try this out and see if I can do it myself. All different powders. And then the monomer as well. So definitely gonna have to look up what all of this stuff is, but oh my goodness. So cute, just as packaged. Little baby nail file. Oh, it's such great quality. Like you can easily see by just the look of everything, the packaging. Love this product.